Germany, one of the strongest economies in the world, a country known for engineering, industry, and massive job opportunities. Every year, thousands of people try to move to Germany for work, especially from Asia and developing countries. But here's the reality. Many people don't understand how Germany's system actually works. They apply randomly, ignore language requirements, and end up getting rejected. So the real question is, how can you actually get a work visa for Germany in 2026? Today, we are going to break down the complete Germany work visa system, including visa types, job opportunities, salaries, requirements, and the real strategy that actually works. Because if you understand this properly, Germany can give you a strong and stable future. First, you need to understand one important thing. Germany offers multiple pathways for foreign workers. And compared to many countries, Germany is more open to skilled workers. One of the most powerful options is the job seeker visa. This is a unique pathway. It allows you to enter Germany without a job and search for a job inside the country. You usually get around 6 months to find a job. If you succeed, you can convert it into a work visa. Now let's talk about direct work visa. If you already have a job offer from a German company, you can apply directly for a work visa. This is one of the fastest ways. Now comes the most important part. Jobs in demand. Germany has a strong shortage of skilled workers. Top in-demand fields include engineering, IT and software, healthcare, nurses, skilled trades, electricians, mechanics, construction. If your profession is in demand, your chances increase significantly. Now let's talk about salary. Germany offers stable and decent salaries. Average monthly salary be Euros 2,500 to 4,500 plus. In highly skilled jobs, it can go higher. But here's the reality. Germany has taxes. Unlike Gulf countries, your salary is not tax-free. However, you get benefits like healthcare, social security, and work-life balance. Now let's talk about language. This is the most important factor. In many jobs, especially outside IT, German language is required. Without German skills, your opportunities may be limited. Now comes visa processing. Work visa processing usually takes 1 to 3 months. Job seeker visa may take longer. Now let's talk about PR pathway. Germany offers a strong long-term option. After working for a few years, you can apply for permanent residency, and later citizenship. Now let's talk about student pathway. Many people go to Germany as students. Education is low cost or even free in public universities. After graduation, they get time to find a job and convert to work visa. This is one of the most reliable pathways. Now here's the biggest mistake people make. They ignore language, or they apply without understanding demand jobs. This reduces their chances. Now let's talk about the real strategy. If you want to move to Germany, you have 3 main options: job seeker visa, direct job offer, or student pathway. Each has its own advantages. Now here's the truth most people don't understand. Germany is not about fast money. It is about long-term stability. You may not save huge money instantly, but you build a secure future. So the final decision depends on you. Your skills, your language level, your patience, and your long-term plan. Germany is not just a country, it is a system of stability. And if you follow it properly, you can build a powerful life. If you want deep global analysis and practical insights about countries, visas, immigration, cost of living, jobs, salaries, student pathways, and real-life opportunities. Make sure you subscribe to the World Guide, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments so you can plan smarter for your future.